Alright, Ante Pick here. It's been a while since I posted. I took the blocks out. Some blocks were sitting in water, some were sitting outside, some were exposed to elements, some were limited exposure, some were constant exposure. So I'm going to grab some of the test subject blocks that we've tested and have cured and everything, and we're going to start building a little wall. We're going to show how quickly this is by using simple leftover scrap piping and stuff that I have here. And we're going to give an illustration for people to see. All right, so let's start. I laid out a nice little L just to turn that little corner. Okay. You stagger these. It's real simple. Stagger them. Boom. It's real simple. Just keep a nice, simple, staggered pattern. Next row, we're going to put a channel, because let's say we're going to run some wire, some pipe through that. Okay, so we're going to stagger this one too. Now we've staggered and turned the corner too. So we grab this. This one's a failed block. I don't like the shape, but we're going to use it. Now, with this, we're naturally going to have rebar. In several different settings. We'll say this is rebar 2. Okay? Let's say we gotta have water lines in it. And also electrical lines. Alright. Here, let's remove this for a second. I'll put this half brick here. There we go. Oh. For the purpose of this, we'll do it like this. There we go. With a few minor adjustments that can easily be taken place, straightening out. What we have effectively done is built a corner of a wall with plumbing, electrical, and rebar run through. Now, we're going to grab this to resemble other rebar that we would run through the channels in here. Okay? So you would run it vertically with rebar too. After you did that, you would have rebar here. You would have rebar here. You would have rebar here and rebar here. And it would tie in all the blocks together. That's how you turn the corner. You have rebar going in the channels. There are half channels across. You would want one set at about Each one of these blocks is 5 inches. So this is at about 15 inches. So 15 inches. Then I go to the 4-foot mark. And I go to the 8-foot mark. But as you see, one man running simple rebar, running simple pipes, building construction of a wall, 3 feet by 2 feet in the corner by 5, 10, 15, 20, almost 2 feet high in a matter of minutes, live on video. And all we do is pour cement into these holes, and it will give us a skeleton structure of mortar as we build this wall. That is how efficiently you could get these done. Save on, instead of brick laying, it becomes brick stacking. Then you pour the mortar in these walls, and you efficiently can build the wall. These walls are fireproof, bulletproof, mold proof, weather resistant. These blocks have been just sitting outside, okay, catching the elements here in Northeast Ohio and East Lake, just sitting outside. They withstand the elements. And adding the mortar and the slurry in between the blocks as you lay it. The slurry is the material you make the block out of. You water it down some more, so it's the same stuff you're using. And then you use the mortar. I'm going to be using Portland cement or some high PSI, 5,000 PSI, fiber reinforced type stuff when I pour in and fill in these little holes. By doing that, it's going to be building a super strong structure that's going to be durable, sustainable, and completely green.